Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing my top 10 favourite weapons in Terraria versus King Slime. So we're going to start with the Flying Dragon. I like this weapon mainly because it's projectile. Alright, where is he? There he is. And violated. Next we're going to be doing the Death Sickle. I mean, who doesn't like this weapon? Where's Mr. Slime? Mister? There you are. It's gonna have a surprise. And I violated. There we go. Alright, next is the Paladin's Hammer. This is probably the first of these weapons I actually got, which is my favourite. You know what I mean? Probably do, but yeah. I mean, it does a decent amount of damage as well. Alright, next is the Scourge of the Corruptor. Oh yeah, the reason why the boss music isn't playing because I have the Morning Rain music box on. My favourite thing about this weapon is how it splits into two and then comes back and then homes in. Next, I like this bow, one because it shoots out multiple, and because it's like kind of hellfire arrows, and also when it hits it splits. Anyway, next is Eventide. It's like just as arrows, but overpowered just as arrows. Like, you know when you're first starting off at the game, just as arrows is my one reason I like them is because they go through, and so does Eventide. Next is this. Why I like it, it's totally random, you don't know where the hell it's gonna shoot and everything, and it's a random weapon. Imagine having a gun in real life that shoots bubbles and those bubbles pop and shoot out bullets. What the fuck? Next is this. Why can't I shoot it? Oh, dang! I don't have enough mana. Why does I have enough mana for this? That's a pity. I don't have enough mana, but I have enough. Do you know what? That's just retarded. Wow, I expect this weapon to take wow, that took long. And the Toxic Flask. And I bet I don't even have enough. No. You know what I'm gonna do? Do I have any recall potions? Didn't I not drop any? I'll go back to Builder's Workshop. Sorry if they take long. I mean, the whole purpose of the video is to show you my favourite weapons, so why not? I just, oops. Mana, yes, haha. Oh, there's Maximum. Alright, well, it's lagging. Sorry about that. Oops. I think I hurt him. Anyway, let's go back to this. Summon King Slime. Just fire him up here. Bam, 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 and bam, bam. Dead. Sorry. Anyway, and the final one is the Toxic Flask. I usually use it on events because it's good for crowd control, if you ask me. As it just totally obliterates everything in a matter of seconds. And if you're wondering where you get all these weapons from, I could do a video on that. Tell you this, you can get this from I think it's the solar eclipse you can get from those weird fly people. Yeah, that's about it. Well, thank you guys for watching, I guess, and I'll see you next time.